Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can roll back your driver into the old version, the stable one. So maybe you update your GPU driver, your AMD driver, but the FPS is decreased. Your GPU is not stable, so you need to revert. You need to go back in the old drivers that make your GPU stable. So the first thing, you need to download DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, to clean up, to uninstall, to remove all the file of your new driver. Here, recommended usage: after you download or before you download, you have to read this. You must disconnect your internet or completely block Windows Update when running DDU. DDU should be used when having problem. DDU should not be used every time you install a new driver unless you know what you are doing, and so on. So here, after you download, you can try to follow the step. You can choose a clean and restart, or clean, do not restart, or clean and shut down. For installing new graphic card, you need this. And don't forget, you can search all AMD drivers and type your graphic. For example, the RX 9900. You click based on your operating system, and this all the old driver that you can download. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.